Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or off silent mode on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. To do that, slide down from the top of your screen. Then find this button. It may look like that, or like that. By clicking on it, you are switching between modes. Now it's sound mode, so you will hear the incoming ringtones and notifications. Now it's in vibrate mode, so you will hear the media sound, such as music or video audio, but you will not hear the ringtones and vibrations and notifications, and instead of that, you will feel vibrations for incoming calls and notifications. And when you click on it again, now it's in mute mode, and in mute mode you will neither hear sounds nor feel vibrations for incoming calls and notifications. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.